In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Amazon Prime on Discord. By the end, you'll have a smooth watch-together setup that avoids the dreaded black screen and keeps audio in sync. First, open Amazon Prime Video in a supported browser. I recommend Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for the best compatibility. Head to primevideo.com and sign into your account. Pick the show or movie you plan to watch so it's ready in a tab, but don't start playing just yet. Next, this part is critical. Disable hardware acceleration in your browser. If you skip this, your stream will likely appear black to everyone else. In Chrome or Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open Settings. Find the Systems section. On some versions, it may say System and Performance. Then turn off the option that uses hardware acceleration. The browser will ask to relaunch. Go ahead and click Relaunch. This change allows Discord to capture the video properly, since many streaming sites use DRM that blocks sharing when hardware acceleration is enabled. Now open Discord and use the desktop app if possible. Streaming from the browser version of Discord can be unreliable, especially with video and audio capture, so the desktop app gives you the best chance of a clean stream. Make sure you have a voice channel you can join, whether that's in a server or a private group where you have permission to share your screen. When you're ready to go live, join the voice channel. Click the share screen button at the bottom. In the sharing window, choose Application window. Select the Chrome or Edge window that has your Prime Video tab open. Before you go live, look for the audio toggle in the Discord share panel and make sure it's enabled so viewers can hear the show. Then click Go Live, switch back to your Prime Video tab and start playback. Because you're sharing just the browser window, your audience will only see and hear that content, not your entire desktop. Try not to minimize the browser while streaming and keep the video in the foreground to avoid interruptions. If anyone sees a black screen or hears no audio, double check that hardware acceleration is off and that you relaunched the browser. Also, confirm you're using the Discord desktop app and that sound sharing is enabled in the share dialog. That's it. Enjoy your watch party, keep your volume at a comfortable level, and remember to respect content rights and local laws while sharing. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.